So I'm very excited today. I'm actually going to unbox for you my very first luxury purchase. It's not really a handbag. It's actually an SLG from Louis Vuitton, and I've like literally waited for forever to get anything from Louis Vuitton, so I'm extremely excited. And it's actually currently a hard to find piece. So I'll go ahead and get started. And of course, I've actually already literally opened it before, but I'll put everything back in here all cute so we can open it up. It is the mini Pochette in Damier ebene or ebene. It is just so cute. I love it. And this is actually a made in France piece. I'm not sure if you can see that, probably not. But I know some people really care about that. I thought it was really cool. Now, a little bit of backstory. I've always loved purses, like for forever. Even like when I was in high school, I just had never like made the jump to actual luxury brand or high-end luxury brands. I did buy like some Coach pieces, and then even like around Christmas time, I told my husband it had been so long since I purchased any purse at all, which is so unlike me really. But you know, we have 2 small children, and it just like, I just always felt kind of bad for like spending money on that. But you know what, I told him like right before Christmas time, I said, you know what, I'm getting back into my purses because I really love it, and it makes me feel like me. I don't really know if that sounds like silly. I guess if you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. But like, it's just something I really love. So I told him that I really wanted to get back into it, and I was eyeing a Coach purse. And we went into the store and we looked, and then I was like, okay, well, I think I'm probably gonna get this one. And then it sold out. It wasn't available online, so I just ended up getting like a little key, not a key holder, a card holder, and for myself for Christmas from Coach, a little Coach card holder for myself for Christmas. And then just kind of was like, well, whenever I see something from Coach that I really love again, I'll go ahead and get it. But we ended up going into the Louis Vuitton store to smell a cologne that he wanted to smell. And so while we were in there, I had asked the sales associate if she had anything like small, because Louis Vuitton is like, I guess if you've never purchased from them before, like the prices are kind of daunting, especially for like bigger bags and bigger purchases. So I was looking for a smaller the good, and she had brought out some wallets. I was like, oh, you know, that's cute. And then she went to the back and she pulled this out, and I was like, what? Because I know like when I was trying to research what purse I wanted to get back before Christmas, I saw that the mini Pochettes were like sold out all the time. People were having a really hard time getting them. I thought they were super cute and actually super useful, because like I said, for me right now, I just don't carry that much. And if like I can put like all my little things in it, and then if, you know, we're going somewhere and I need the baby bag, I can just quickly throw it into the baby bag. Or even when I get like a larger purse, you just put, you know, the mini Pochette in there, and you don't have to worry about transferring so many things. And anyway, so I was like, what? This is always sold out. So anyway, that's how I ended up purchasing this, and I'm just so excited. guess it's gonna be the start of my luxury journey. Anyway, so I just thought it would be super fun to share that with you guys. I can't promise I'm gonna be doing a lot of these videos because I don't know, you know, when the next time I'm gonna buy something from Louis Vuitton or anywhere else, bag wise, the luxury good wise, anything like that. But please comment down below if you have made the jump into like luxury purchases, or if you're eyeing like a luxury bag or SLG or something like that. But I've only had it for 2 days, but of course I love it. I love it, and it's partly the story behind it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.